This is Chevrolet Trax 2017. So I'm going to make the all keys lost using Autel KM100. So all key lost 2017. I'm going to show you how to read the pin code and program it. Let's see how to do using Autel KM100. This is all key lost. We can choose 2017 2020 smart key. Function. All keys lost. Put the smart key into the slot and press OK. Switch ignition is off already. It's going to on. So it's take now 12 minutes time, and switch ignition is on automatically. Keep the on ignition, and let's wait 12 minutes and see. So I'm going to push the video and come back again. Now ready for key 1. Press start button. Press OK. So that key is already programmed, the one I put the slot. If you want more key, you can put it there. So I don't want more, just press no. Switch ignition off, because now you can see ready for 2 key. So if you want that second key, you can use. So you put the switch ignition off. Press start button for 12 seconds. release start button. Press start button to start the car. They're saying you have to keep on try. If no, you have to repeat it. I don't know why this is not taking. So just keep on the pressing start button until the switch ignition on and start the car. But it's not turning on. I don't know why. Let's see, just turn it on. Normally when just press it, is automatically switch ignition going to on and start the car. I don't know what's happening. This is when I'm pressing, there is no any signal is giving, no light. Let's see what is going to giving. Maybe giving fall, maybe not, because key is already programmed, so I just need to complete this step. It's failed. That is failed. But because the remote is working. But switch is not going to be on because it's not complete the step. So that case, what I have to do it. Let me see, find out the way. So the program watch is stuck on the middle. Car watch can't start the on. Remote is working, but car is not starting. So what I did, because the battery was very low, so I just put the charge on the battery. I removed the cable, then I put the charge again. Now you can see still battery is low. Yeah, I think I can start the car now. Yeah, it's fine. So it was all about the battery was low, that's why switch ignition is not on, and the program is stuck in the middle. Remote is working, car is not starting, but now car is starting, everything is fine. Thank you guys. So when it's happening, I just remove the battery cable, I fix it, then I put the charge, and it's finally working.